Hi, if this is the first time you are watching my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 basic gimbal moves, so let's get started. The crane shot. Crouch down with your camera close to the ground, use something in the foreground. Lock up your gimbal and focus on the subject or the focal point, lock your camera exposure and focus. Then slowly stand up or move your camera up. This can be used to reveal your subject or location at the very beginning of your video. Shallow depth of field. Select a foreground subject as the focal point. Tap and hold to lock your focus and exposure. And press record, move your camera towards left or right. You will get a perfect foreground view with a blurred background. The push forward. This is a very simple and classic gimbal move. Point your gimbal forward, lock your focus and exposure. Then walk forward with a nice and consistent pace. A flat and level surface is ideal for this shot. Now, we edit this footage together with music and color grading.